Hi.
Hi, Pichu.
What are we doing today?
Today,
What's inside the box?
Yayan.
Are you sure? How about you, Kuya? What's inside the box? It's what? It's
Grenade.
so we have here a very large box.
Ouch. Our biggest
Ouch,
box
ouch.
in the world.
Not really in the world.
No,
but
it's
very
the biggest building in the world. The
big.
tallest
So,
building.
come on. Oh, we will pull it.
Roll down.
Wow! So, wow, what do we have there?
It's Yayan.
Yes, it's lion. Can we see the box? So let's see the box. Very near. See, for 4+ years old. Brought to life by Furreal, Hasbro. Response with 100+ sound and motion combinations. And it uses 4 battery. Oh no, it should be bigger, right? Bigger batteries. So let's see. Sound and movie phrases. Hakuna Matata. You know that, Elijah?
Yes.
Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. Love his scrubs. And responds to sound and touch. This is the food, oh. See the food. Mighty roar Simba the Lion Disney the Lion King. Roar. The box. Wow, can hug it. And like Atarah is hugging it in the box. You can hug it later, huh? And there will never be a king like me. Roar.
Like this.
Yes, there is a sound. Talk, roar, and play.
The
This young
voice is
king-
raw.
Yes, says roar.
Like the lion
Yes, even a king likes to cuddle.
with
See?
his tail.
Yes. And this is the Lion King. Wow, it's looking up. Hi, lion. Hi, lion. Hi, lion. The fur is very soft. See, it's looking up. Can you get me out of here? Says the Simba the Lion. Wow, we lift the lion up from the box. Oh, you hold it.
The lion has battery. I want the manual.
Up.
The manual.
Oh, get the manual, Kuya.
It's
Did
in
you
the-
saw?
I can't get too far away from us.
Okay.
Wait.
Lion King.
Ouch.
Okay, so it needs
I want to touch the tail.
the battery. We will check the battery. Where's the battery? Okay.
The bigger one.
Talk to him. You can talk to him, Elijah and Atarah. You can pat the head and talk to the lion. Okay, wait, let's remove.
Hey, lion.
Yes, hey lion. Oh, but let's
If the
remove.
lion will talk also.
Yes, it will roar. Roar. So Atarah is eating.
Eat it.
So mommy bought the battery should be the type C, and it cannot work if it's not full battery anymore.
It's not.
Okay.
It's not.
We will try if it should work now because
It's a new one.
it's a new
It's
one.
working.
It should work now. Okay. We will open the new battery.
We're getting this one to once.
Yes.
The two plastic.
Because it needs 4 type C or 1.5V batteries. A bigger one because it's a big toy.
I'm trying to put that here.
Oh wait, Kuya. Okay, Kuya. Thank you. So we have our 4 batteries. Okay, so we put it down
Mom,
at
it's
the bottom.
done.
Okay, at the bottom.
At the
See.
bottom.
See.
Can Put the battery.
You put the battery. It should work, or else it's not good anymore.
This is the young ship. This is the dump truck with the area on here. We can hear this one. This is the truck and with wheels.
Okay, so we close it.
The young girl's truck.
Oh yeah, you sit down here, so we can see the lion when we on it. It should be.
Should we work?
It should work. Let's close it first. Let's see. Wow, it's working! Ah, wait, wait! You don't hold it in the tail.
Wow!
It's talking, so we close the bottom.
Wow!
Wow!
You never get to go anywhere.
Wow!
Gross.
Wow!
Favorite.
Wow! See?
Wow!
Rar! It's talking! It's a talking lion! It's a talking! Simba!
It's the tail!
The tail is moving!
It's moving, the head's also moving.
No, it's eating! Atarah is letting the lion Simba eat.
Not bad.
Not bad! Wow, it's talking! It's a talking lion!
Really?
Like in the movie.
Oh, it's eating it!
Yes, it's eating!
Oh no!
You like it?
It's eating!
Then opening and closing the eyes. Wagging the tail also.
It's so cute!
It's so cute. You like it? Oh, wagging the tail.
It's so cute! Look at that!
Oh, move forward.
Okay, my eggs.
Wow.
Yeah, right.
Oh, it's talking.
It's still doing me.
Ra! It says Ra.
The biggest. It's eating. See it?
It's eating. Show the face. Tap the head. Ooh, tap the head.
Yobi,
Rar.
tap the head.
Oh, tap the head, Kuya. It's laughing. It's laughing, Kuya. Wow. It's so nice. It's like a robotic lion. Yeah.
Hey, cut it out. You're messing up my mate.
Laughing.
It's laughing.
Aw, you're the best.
You're the best. Wow.
Hakuna Matata means no worries.
No worries, see? Hakuna Matata means no worries. Yes, Atarah.
After the other one, our friend,
The bear and the friend. Oh,
the animals have another friend tomorrow.
I'll put the battery of the bear.
The king of the dump truck.
What was that?
The dump truck is the
was
other
that?
king.
What was that? Oh, you play.
I'm gonna break.
Play with Atarah.
Wow. What? Daddy, guess.
Touch naman. You play. O, let Kuya play naman, Atarah.
Wow, the case is sweet.
Oh, wow.
The tail is out.
Come on, give me a break.
So you love the lion, Simba. You love Simba? Yes, it fell down. Oh no. Yes. So you're very close with Simba already?
Yes, he moved. I saw him.
You saw it. It moved.
Come on, open it up. There we go. Ah! Get it. It's not in the mouth now.
Slimy? Yeah, satisfied.
Trying to roll. Oh!
Great roar.
No, let it go. Atarah, let it go. Let it go.
Feels good for a king.
Simba the King. The Lion King. Elijah, Atarah.
It scared me.
Is it scary?
Yes,
It's very
it scared
cute.
me.
How come it's very scary? It's very cute.
It's scared. I saw. Oh,
Simba is just playing with you.
just saying what to me.
Mm.
Eat it. I want to. Let it go. Let it go. Okay. Still moving. Let it go, please. That's right. There she goes, she's not moving.
Again.
Again.
Really let it out.
It's going to Atarah.
Are you going to Atarah?
You're a natural. I gotta practice more.
Bring it to me.
Yes, it's
The
wiggling.
tail's going to me.
Look at that.
Slimy? Yeah, satisfied.
Satisfying.
I'll do it here. Here you go. Here you go.
Oh no, it fell. It jumped.
It jumped.
Simba jumped.
It jumped. I went out. Quick.
There's no crack. Oh, sige na.
Yeah.
What was that?
Wah, what was that? It's a monkey. It's a monkey. What was that? It's a monkey.
It was the monkey.
Let the monkey ride at the back.
Okay.
See?
I want to feel it.
The monkey is riding at the back.
Easy.
See? The monkey is at the back. Riding.
Race and go.
No, kuya, don't let it let it jump.
Yeah.
Okay.
What should we do?
What should we do?
Yeah. I did. It wants the big fly.
Yes.
It's right.
No way.
No way. There's a monkey at the back. No way.
What do we do?
Tara is very happy.
Just watch me.
Yes. It says rah. to
Wow,
Elijah. Sit down, say goodbye. Good job. The breath is the smell of the breath of Simba. Yuck. Wow. There's no. You smell it?
It's yucky.
No, it's not yucky. There's no smell.
We're here. Yeah.
There's no smell. Oh. So Kuya Elijah and Atarah enjoyed playing with Simba. Yes.
It fell down.
Wow. Okay.
It fell down.
Oh, say goodbye,
Whoa,
Kuya.
it rolled to me.
Wow. Oh, say goodbye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Yuppie.
It jumped. It jumped to Atarah. It jumped to Atarah. Oh, Atarah can hug the Simba the Lion. Hug like that.